To set up Gemini on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find the apps first. So click on it and then navigate to the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, open other settings, and then look for the default apps. Now on the bottom of that page there's Assistant Voice and Voice Input. Here select Digital Assistant app and make sure that Google is selected. Now when it's selected, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down until you find Google. Then select All Services and scroll down again to find Search Assistant and Voice. Click on it, go to Gemini, and right here you'll be able to use Gemini. Now after that your Gemini is already active and you can use the corresponding button to call it out. For example, we can activate the power call out for the assistant. So let's go into additional settings, gestures and shortcuts, and then activate press and hold power button for assistant. And now if we hold this button, we'll call out our Gemini. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.